اپنے آپ کو کیسے بدل سکتے ہیں، میں ان کو دعوت دیتا ہوں. ان کے اس پروگرام کے بعد جو ہے جب ان کی ڈیمانسٹریشن ختم ہوگی تو ایک آپ کو پریکٹیکلی یہاں پر چیز کر کے دکھائی جائے گی کہ سوچ کے بدل لینے سے عمل کیسے بدل جاتا ہے. اور جو 6 سے 7 یا 8 منٹ کی ایکسرسائز ہوگی اس میں کوئی 2-4 لوگ جو ہیں وہ یہاں پر بلاؤں گا اور وہ اس کو پریکٹیکلی جب کریں گے تو پھر آپ دیکھیں گے کہ ان کی جو گفتگو ہے وہ عملاً ثابت کیسے ہوگی. استقبال کیجئے فائز جان صاحب.
السلام علیکم اور بہت بہت شکریہ پروفیسر افسر صاحب اس انٹروڈکشن کا. Before I forget, I think first of all let me sincerely congratulate Spirit Colleges. میں ایسے نہیں کہہ رہا اور لوگوں کو پتا ہے کہ میں ایسے بات نہیں کرتا کہ اس وقت آج کل کے دور میں اس طرح کے ایونٹس کو آرگنائز کرنا اور یہ رشتہ چلتا رہے بچوں کی موٹیویشن کا. I think they are doing a great job. And also special thanks goes to all the sponsors of this event. And my sincere request to Spirit Colleges and other institutions, please keep on arranging these seminars because that's what it is all about. A seminar like this has changed my life forever. And I am receiving on average about 400 emails every week which shows how people are changing and what is the power associated with these seminars and associated books and writings. The topic is right in front of your eyes. I have not chosen this topic. Unfortunately, fortunately, I have this bad habit that I trust my sponsors and I don't try to dictate my terms to them. They said, "We would like you to come over and speak," and they have given me the topic. This is a basically positive thinking and living topic. And this is going on for the last many years. I became the very first Pakistani, alhamdulillah, like many other being the first, and I will share with you all those good things. This was also bringing NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming to Pakistan, being trained by Dr. Richard Bandler, who is the originator of NLP. I was trained by him personally. Unfortunately, I did not like, it was a very powerful tool, but I did not like it to that extent that I would opt it as a profession and start making money. I did not like that to that extent. اس کی کیا وجہ ہے آپ کو بتا دوں گا آج میں. But this is a very powerful tool, NLP, and I, in my book, with the same name, Change Your Lens, Change Your World. It is right there. In Urdu, it is called Badlo Soch Badlo Zindagi. There are so many NLP exercises which you can practice yourself. Try to get away, try to leave the negative thinking. However, the journey which you will begin, that might take years and years to complete. But the energy which requires to start that journey is something which I will be rather focusing on in these 2 limited hours which has been given to me. So what is the importance of the subject? What it has done to me, what it has done to hundreds of other people. So, iska bunyad kya hai? What is basically, where did it start from? Change Your Lens was my, I believe, 3rd book. It has been in the market for 7 years, I believe. Lekin, jo main aaj, the way I will be teaching you or giving you a summary of that Change Your Lens, Change Your World, wo shayad aapko meri earlier seminar se, if you are regular comer on my seminar, you will know that the transition I am passing جب جو سوچا وہ اللہ تعالیٰ کرتا ہے نیک نیتی سے. ابھی بھی میرے پاس I have many goals which I have established. So one goal was basically to Islamize all these sciences. And آج آپ لوگ تعلیم میں جا رہے ہیں. 93 میں میں نے گالیاں کھائی ہیں اس لفظ پہ. And I think this is the biggest change which you see in the environment today. I have paid such a big price of bringing Islam into my teaching that I can assure you that I can testify that nobody would have paid that higher price of being a Muslim. And try to bring Islam in. So, ab meri zindagi ka, all the things which I have written earlier, now I am trying to basically Islamize, and alhamdulillah, I have already done. For example, Road to Success is a very scientific book. It is in front of you, and there are hundreds of testimonies and success stories emerged as a result of the application of those learning in the Road to Success. However, if you today ask me to teach the Road to Success, I can just pick up one surah from Quran, and I can teach you exactly the same thing, Road to Success, from that surah. So the same way, today I will be talking about exactly the same topic, which is change your lens, change your world, and that also answers what I earlier said, that I liked NLP. It is a very powerful tool, but it was not powerful enough that I would have opted it as a profession. Why? Because I thought there is a relevance and Islamic learning would be much, much more powerful. Because remember, Quran itself says that there is a limit associated, limit attached with every single message. ہر میسج کی اللہ نے ایک لمٹ ڈال دی ہے. ایک چیز آتی ہے بخار کی طرح, it becomes a buzzword, and then slowly and gradually some new terminology, new business buzzwords or jargon will take over. But when it comes to Quran, that message is limitless. اس میسج میں تو میں اگر آپ کو آج چینج کے لینس ایسے ہی پڑھا کے چلا جاؤں سب کو, کل کو maybe somebody else come up with a new book by changing the terminology, so that would be bygone thing of the past. But if I teach you the same learning, giving relevance with Quran and Hadith, so that might stay with you, and I can assure you, inshallah, after 2 hours when you go out, and even if I ask you to take the test, maybe that would be the only session. Agar main aapse puchun ki what was your retention level after this seminar of this subject as such, alhamdulillah, you will all pass the exam because I will teach you in a way. So it is my guarantee and assurance to you right now that alhamdulillah you will be able to produce a better book maybe. Why? Because of the Quran. Because it is the truth and it is the power associated with every single truth. And this is the power which Allah has associated. This is not something which I am associated. So I can teach you, I have picked up one surah, which is my most lovable surah. I can teach, I have used, somebody is asking me when I was planning to write a translation or the interpretation, जिसे आप explanation कहते हैं, or commentary on Quran. And I don't think I'm capable enough of doing it. However, if I just started writing down my experiences, trying to give you explanation of Surah Al-Asr, I am sure I can write at least 1,000 pages giving you the explanation of Surah Al-Asr. So what to say of narrating or giving commentary on Quran? I can teach you 20 different subjects just using Surah Al-Asr. So starting with Surah Al-Asr, and I will bring everything, change your lens, change your world. I was the most, and there are many people who have witnessed that. I used to be a negative thinker number 8. And Quran said in this, Inna Allah la yughayyiru, beshak Allah nahi badlega. Ma bi qawmin, kisi qawm, kisi shakhs, the hope. Okay, not everybody, there are few people who are